Huh?
Going to wow.
What?
And the wow.
No, here in the gas station.
What?
We're here in the gas station.
Where? No.
Hold this. Hold it, okay? It's recording.
No.
El dinero.
Is that the wow?
This is the wow.
Get out. Please.
Hi.
Mama, get out, please.
One
Ready,
second,
Bella?
Bella. Can we see you? Hi. Hi, little doggy.
It's a very loving dog.
Aww.
They're really good with children too.
Can I get out?
Do you want the wow?
Yeah.
Yeah? No, I think I want to hold it.
I can get out.
Yeah, you could get out.
Mommy.
He's really, really, really sweet.
Hi. Hi. Oh, so cute. You like it, Bella?
Oh, he's wagging
He's wagging his tail already.
Look, Bella. Now hold it. Here, want to count some money? Like it, Nick? Come on, I don't hear no
Yeah.
excitement. I don't hear nothing.
I like it.
Hey. Oh.
He likes me.
Yeah. Hi.
It's good. All right, enjoy it.
So how
Enjoy the
many
baby.
did your puppy have? How many did your dog have?
5.
5?
He just tickled me.
So cute.
He's very, very loving. And he's very
Just
healthy.
take
He's
it
never
away.
been outside. He's very healthy.
Yeah?
Amazing spirit. He has like, I don't know, he's so loving. I love him.
Smells really good.
Oh, he's well taken care
He
of.
does.
Sure.
Yeah, you could tell.
All right. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Bye, buddy.
Aw, they're gonna
Bye.
miss you. They're gonna miss you, they said.
I'm really glad that he's
I
gonna
say
have
hello
like,
and-
someone to play with. He's
Yeah, and I'm glad he's gonna have somebody to play with too because they drive me crazy.